Hello, my dear friends. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine. In this greeting I have used, you can see that I am using the present progressive structure. This tense is used to talk about activities or actions that happen in the moment when I am speaking, right? In this moment or now, or for periods of time like this week, these days. And it also refers to ongoing actions that are the case for ongoing activities or routine activities that you or other people can do. In this session, I am going to use maybe the 25 most typical verbs. As you can see here in the screen, they are listed by a randomly order, and I'm going to use some pictures about kids. As you can see, they are doing different activities there in the pictures. The verbs I showed you before are presented in an infinitive way, and we are going to learn now how the grammar should be structured. So with the verb be, that's the main one, and the group for is the auxiliary, we use it to talk about he, she, or it, or the person they represent, like in this case for he can be Jose, my friend, etc., or for she, Sofia, my sister, or anyone else, or it, my pet, my cell phone, and so forth. For the auxiliary are, we make use of this when we talk about you in singular or in plural. The use of we when we talk about Jimena and I, or my friends and I, when I am with other people together. Or when we talk about they, my friends, my teachers, and etc. And obviously the use of the auxiliary am when I talk about myself, in this case with the pronoun I. So, to write a sentence in the present progressive, we use the same structure as you can see here in the screen. The person plus the auxiliary plus the verb, but the verbs we're presented need to be added with the ing form that indicates us that we're talking about an ongoing action, and the complement. And we have an example here that it's Mark and Ursula are doing exercises at the park. In this case, we're talking about two people, and the auxiliary is are. And another one to talk about only one with the auxiliary is, and the sentence says Mark is playing soccer at the stadium. We also can see many activities as the children were presented before. You can see these ones like Alan is sleeping or Brenda's getting up and so forth. I think Charles can be seen, but you already said it there in the previous list. Or the next ones that are presented right now here. So all the sentences, all the kids are doing different activities, and we refer to them adding ing to each one of the verbs. Some verbs change differently, like dancing, or the next ones we are going to see now, like brushing. The way ing is added is different according to the verbs, and this topic can be presented in a next presentation. Finally, we have the 5 last activities that refers to Ursula, Vincent, Willis, and Xenia and Yorick. Regarding the same topic, we can make use of yes/no questions. And I would like you to pay attention to the color I am using. So the auxiliaries and the person need to have an agreement according to the structure you can see here at the bottom of the page. And we have examples like this, like, is Laura playing soccer? So we say, no, she isn't. She's dancing. You remember Laura in the previous slides. Or a question for two people with the auxiliary are, like, are Dory and Queenie eating? You have two possibilities to say yes they are or no, they aren't. And the question for you as a singular person, are you drinking water? You have two possibilities as well. You can say yes I am or no I am not. And some information questions like the ones you can see here. What's Trevor doing? The agreement we need to have between Trevor and he. We can say he's going to school. Or what are Jane and Kathy doing? We have two people here, so we have to use the pronoun they are studying. And what are you doing? The question for you as a person, you can say I am using the computer. So this is a brief explanation about the use of present progressive. I hope you have found well. And we also have more questions that can be for an advanced level, and we can do this in the next session. I hope you can like this page, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.